Waste processing equipment, located in Rainsville, Alabama. Manufacturers of the MaxPak line of equipment. MaxPak is the highest quality of baler produced today, and with proper operation and routine maintenance, your baler will perform dependably for many years at a minimum cost. Your MaxPak baler should be operated by trained and authorized personnel only. No one under the age of 18 is allowed to operate this baler in most states. Check your state for the minimum legal operator age. Your baler is equipped with safety switches to meet all ANSI and OSHA regulations. Do not attempt to disable any safety switches. Do not put your hands or body parts inside the baler at any time. In case of an emergency, press the red emergency stop button and turn off the quick disconnect handle on the control panel. Now, to begin baling. Close the lower discharge door and lock tightly with the turnbuckle. The door closed light will come on. You are now ready to begin loading the baler. Fill the chamber with material and remember to load material evenly. If you are baling cardboard, it is not necessary to break down any boxes before loading them. Now, close the feeder door and press the down button. The ram will travel down, compressing the material. After a full downstroke cycle is reached, the ram will return to the top, opening the door as it goes. Continue this process, making sure that material is loaded evenly. Remember, boxes do not have to be broken down before baling. When the bale is complete, the ram will stay down, pressing against the material, and the bale complete light will come on. Now it is time to tie off the bale, and the following steps should be taken. During this process, the baler should remain in bale complete mode. Do not turn off the power disconnect. Do not push emergency stop. Safety glasses and gloves should always be worn while tying off the bale. Open the feeder door all the way up. Now unlock and open the lower discharge door. Remember to make sure that all persons are standing clear of the discharge door. Some materials may cause it to spring open quickly. Now slide the wire through the slots marked wire on the front of the baler. then from the back through the open slots in the ram. While you are behind the machine, position the eject chain hooks on the hook bars on the back of the ram. Now tie off all wires through the loops and through the loops again. Now the bale is ready to be ejected from the machine. It is good to place a pallet or forklift in front of the machine for easier removal of the ejected bale. Now, while standing clear of the front of the baler, press and hold the up button. The ram will travel up, ejecting the bale. Remove the bale from in front of the baler and close and lock the discharge door. The eject chains will unhook themselves the next time the ram cycles. Now you are ready to make the next bale. Remember, if an emergency occurs, to push the red emergency stop button and turn off the quick disconnect located on the panel door. Always use extreme caution when operating your MaxPak baler, and never ever attempt to bypass any of the safety switches. Push the emergency stop button and remove the key when baler is not being used for a lengthy period of time or when it is unattended.